Clubs could be social, where you just maybe enjoy a glass of wine together. Or it could be sports, you want to play football, or we call it here soccer, together. Or it could be professional, like American Marketing Association, or APICS, which are Operation Club. Or it could be one in partnership with other organizations outside that you care about, such as Net Impact. So clubs could be for a variety of means and purposes which students determine. I would encourage you to join clubs and to start clubs.
One of the things we did earlier on is I was part of the HALT Venture Group, and I'm in fact a co-president of that. That was a really great opportunity to get out and do something that lets you interact with the community around you, the business community.
Personally, I have established HALT Marketing Club here in San Francisco campus with a couple of other bright students.
We did a series of events that helped people starting from taking their business idea and turning it into a business plan. We did a boot camp in one day, get pitch ready and pitch to a panel of judges, and we had a winner. And then we had a more aspirational event called Jump, which was globalizing your venture, where we brought in companies who are now established and looking to move to other markets all around the world.
I sort of like approached people through the marketing club and invited them here and did lots of events here on campus. And this was mostly my branding, in terms that I was bringing them here together with other students.
In the beginning of the year, we created Soulbase Club, which is social business beyond the profit. And a few of my classmates and one person from the MBA, we all kind of tried to promote the idea of social entrepreneurship. And we got in touch with the Net Impact, which is one of the biggest social networks around the world, and we created Net Impact HALT San Francisco chapter this year.
And also we did a couple of the beat events here, and you know, when we did this marketing camp as well, helped out to organize everything, I feel that I still could manage to build my brand here, because many of the people that I know, and they are very successful marketing professionals, they saw what I'm capable of. They saw me in the action, and that's the best branding, because they really can say and recommend that I am capable of doing something. And I think that's the best part of it.
A great way I've found to leverage the HALT experience and get to really interact with the business community, which is where you want to go afterwards, has been volunteering, for instance, volunteering for industry events.
In the beginning of the year, I was volunteering for different conferences where I can meet the people from Google, Dropbox, Yahoo, and so on, from huge and cool companies.
San Francisco actually makes it much easier than other locations, because every night of the week there are events on what's the latest in social media, what's the latest in technology, whether it's clean tech, whether it's IT, and they're very open to external people.
And so if you're interested in an area and you go in and you look out for events that are within your interest, which there are many of, it's very easy, and people are very open to you reaching out to the event organizer, and they will help you volunteer for that. And a great way to meet people in your area of interest.
Also, I was trying to attend all meetups that are related to my area, like digital marketing, to actually gain new learnings, not only from school, but also from professionals who already have great experience and willing to share with you. San Francisco gives you all this possibility and opportunities.
I think it's really important to be involved, whether that's the clubs, the HSA, the student body, the events. You need to be involved, you need to be present, and I think that starts from day one. That's from orientation. This is you, this is HALT.